You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate. We show you cool spots to eat, and today we're in Santa Clarita Valley and we're checking out Mega Hot Chicken. They're known for chicken. Let's go. Alright, so we're at Mega Hot Chicken and we got their Mega 2. They got 3 different combos and they also have chicken waffles too. Damn it, I wish we knew. Should have got that. But basically, the first one you get 2 sliders. The second one you get a slider and a tender. And the third one you get 3 tenders. So you also get fries. We got mac and cheese. And we also got their special sauce. So let's check this out. So we're gonna try out their slider first. Lower. Alright, so basically their slider comes with one of their tenders, and then they got coleslaw, pickles, and this nice looking little bun right here. And they got 5 different spice levels. You can get their lowest all the way to their hottest, which is called lightning. They said there's ghost pepper on it.
No,
we didn't.
Reaper.
Oh, they said there's Reaper on it. I still want to enjoy the rest of the day, so I didn't get Reaper. If you guys are feeling adventurous and you want to try the Reaper, or if you checked it out before, let us know right below how hot it was. All right, so let's check this out. Well, I can tell this chicken's already crispy. Oh, look at that. It's like pointing at me. It's like, come here, it man. You know, one thing I do like, that chicken is juicy. I don't think you can see this, but that chicken just comes off if you just pull it. It's pretty easy. The seasoning is all right. This is their what is this, the mild?
I don't know. You know the order.
Yeah, it's mild. This is their mild. It's like right under like the no spice. It still has a little kick to it, which is good. But let's try their sauce. The sauce actually masks the heat, so it definitely goes good with it. I mean, it's good. I feel bad like trying to compare it to other Nashville chicken spots, just because I've had a lot and I've had a lot of good ones, but this is the only one in Santa Clarita, so you guys should check it out. Let's try their mac and cheese. Looks like it's a baked mac and cheese.
If you guys want, after they're done with their third game, if you want to come in for cake or whatever, you know, it's still playing right now.
There's a sweetness to this mac and cheese, and it's a little crunchy on the top. It has a little heat. This is actually pretty good. Yo, their mac and cheese is better than the sandwich. Hey, but it's a good place. I think I like the mac and cheese better than the sandwich, but the tender alone, let's try this. I mean, it's probably gonna be the same. I like how crunchy it is though, but it's alright. I mean, if you guys haven't tried Nashville hot chicken, and if you haven't tried Nashville hot chicken and you're in the Santa Clarita area, come check it out. Other than that, there's better places. But hey, we had to check it out for you. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos just like this one. Share this with your family and friends because they'll love it. And we're going to catch you in the next video. Peace.